In primetime news this evening, absent for a year, students who've missed school since the start of the pandemic tell their story, a TVJ News exclusive. High school hurdle, JTA foresees challenges for students after COVID-19 impact on PEP and primary school education. And later, leave me out of it. Former PNP President Dr. Peter Phillips responds to calls for his return.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are you looking forward to most during the Olympic Games 2020 in Tokyo? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.